Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show this video how to fix Windows 11 Wi-Fi icon missing or keeps disappearing problem. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Wi-Fi icon missing or disappearing on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, the first method you can try is, first of all you just need to click on this start menu and click on settings. After that, in left side you will find network and internet, click on that. Come to the right side, here you will find advanced network setting, click on this. Under more settings you will find network reset, click on this. Then click on reset now, then click on yes, and your network settings will be reset. Then you have to just restart your PC and you have to add your Wi-Fi password, and you can check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Right click on this start menu, then click on device manager. Then double click on this network adapter, search for your Wi-Fi driver. You can see this is my wireless driver. I will right click on that, click on properties, click on the driver detail, and to copy your driver. After copying this driver, just go back and uninstall your driver. You have to give tick mark this and click on uninstall, and your Wi-Fi driver will be uninstalled. Then you have to open your Chrome browser. Then you have to, what you have copied the driver, you have to just paste it here and search and download it, or you can directly download from your Intel website. If your brand laptop you are using, you can directly download the brand website from there. Suppose if you are using Dell laptop, just you need to type Wi-Fi driver for Windows 11, or if you are using Windows 10, you can download it for Windows 10. Enter, just go to this Dell official website. You can see this is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both drivers. You can download it from here. Just download it. Before installing, after completion of this download, before installing you have to restart your PC, and after completion of the restart you can install this driver. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Wi-Fi icon missing or keeps disappearing on your video. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.